Hi, today we have to talk about pregnancy yoga. So, I know you will start to ask yourself some question like, what is pregnancy yoga? What are the benefits of pregnancy yoga? How to start pregnancy yoga? Is pregnancy yoga safe? Don't worry, stay tuned, and you will have all the answers. You don't have to be an experienced yogi to reap the benefits of pregnancy yoga. It's important to keep fit and healthy while you're expecting, and pregnancy yoga can be the perfect solution. By focusing on the balance between your mind, body, and breath, this centuries-old practice helps to relieve stress and tension, increase strength and flexibility, and address common prenatal symptoms like lower back pain and nausea. You don't have to be an experienced yogi to reap the benefits of pregnancy yoga. The postures for beginners are simple and suit any fitness level. Best of all, you'll meet other mums to be at your classes. What is pregnancy yoga? Also called prenatal yoga, pregnancy yoga typically involves breathing exercises, gentle stretching, simple postures, and potentially a short meditation at the end. Some of the postures will be the same as in a normal yoga class, but many others will be modified specially for pregnancy. You will also learn relaxation techniques to use during labor, as well as positions that may help to ease the pain of contractions. 7 benefits of pregnancy yoga. There are a number of benefits associated with establishing a pregnancy yoga routine, from birth to post-delivery stages. 1. Pregnancy yoga boosts flexibility. Generally, pregnant mums who do yoga exercises appear healthier in mind and body, says Nadis. Their bodies are more flexible, which enables them to adapt to various positions when in labor, and the ligaments are more elastic, which in turn can help to reduce labor pain. 2. Pregnancy yoga boosts circulation. Bending, stretching, and lengthening the body boosts circulation, and also helps with fluid retention, according to Fox. 3. Pregnancy yoga eases stress. Yoga is known for its ability to ease stress and promote relaxation, and pregnancy yoga is no different. The calmer you feel during pregnancy, the better it is for your health and the health of the baby. 4. Pregnancy yoga improves posture. Yoga stretches and lengthens the spine and opens your shoulders, improving your posture. This can help ease back problems, which are common in pregnant women. 5. Pregnancy yoga helps prepare for birth. Yoga helps to prepare for the birth. It encourages breath and body awareness, reduces worry, and teaches women to adapt to new situations, adds Fox. 6. Pregnancy yoga improves your sleep. Pregnant women often have trouble falling and staying asleep, but regular practice can improve the quality and duration of their sleep. 7. Pregnancy yoga strengthens muscles. Yoga continues to have benefits after pregnancy, too. Postnatal yoga, which can be started about 6 weeks after birth, strengthens abdominal muscles and your pelvic floor. How to start pregnancy yoga. If you're new to yoga, start by taking classes to learn the poses under supervision. It's best to start during the second trimester, after around 14 weeks, since most miscarriages occur during the first trimester. There's no evidence that practicing yoga in the first trimester will harm your baby, but most instructors will err on the side of caution. For those who already attend a regular yoga class, be sure to tell your teacher that you're pregnant, and ask them whether they are trained to instruct pregnant women. If so, they'll be able to help you modify postures in your usual practice. You can also practice at home, but take care to stick to the modifications you've been given. Generally, prenatal yoga classes, hatha yoga classes, and restorative yoga classes are the best choices for pregnant women. Avoid power yoga styles, such as Ashtanga, which are vigorous in nature, as well as Bikram or hot yoga, which takes place in a hot room. This can be dangerous during pregnancy. Always consult your doctor or midwife before starting a pregnancy yoga class or routine to make sure it's suitable for you. If you're at an increased risk of preterm birth or have certain medical conditions, for example, heart disease or back problems, they may advise against it. Is pregnancy yoga safe? Yoga during pregnancy is safe, however, pain or nausea should not be felt at any point during or after yoga. If this happens, stop exercising and contact your GP or midwife. Follow our tips to protect your health and the health of your baby during pregnancy yoga. Keep it simple. Any position which feels uncomfortable should be left out, Fox says. Lying on the front soon becomes inappropriate, she says. Strong back bends are to be avoided, as are postures that involve using the tummy muscles strongly, such as the boat pose or supine leg rising. Any posture involving balance should be tackled with great care. Take it easy. Mums-to-be should pay attention not to overstretch the body. The ligaments around the joints become loose and soft during pregnancy. The abdomen should stay relaxed at all times, so you can use the gluteus muscles instead.